Hey, what's up guys, your man Zach B Films coming to you guys with another video. And today, I would like to make this video real quick just to tell you guys that I am back on YouTube. I am back, my return. I'm here, guys. Dope content's gonna be coming, guys. I'm gonna try and upload twice a week, so you know, content's about to be fire. I'm about to force it. I'm about to grind like crazy, bro, because I really want to be able to do this YouTube thing, bro. Like, for real. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm a filmmaker and photographer. I make filmmaking and photography related content on this channel. So yeah, guys, if you guys are into that kind of stuff, subscribe right now. Trust me, guys, you guys won't regret it. My content is dope. But yeah, guys, join me on this journey. It's gonna be fire. It's gonna be awesome. And yeah, guys, got some crazy plans for this year, guys. Crazy plans. Stay tuned. Peace, guys. Love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And also, don't forget to create, inspire, discover.
I could be so true. You were just a lover in my heart. It could be so simple.